this is some kind of karate video featuring all the characters from Mysterious Noise. Lego Animations 911, Lego Anthony, Queen N555, and Wacky Dude.
I'm a Chinese man! Ah!
So, let the tournament begin!
Hey! Nicole, your turn. I don't know karate. I quit.
Come on, Wacky Dude, you can't quit. It's a karate video.
I don't know karate. Okay, you won't do now. No, it's Christian's time.
Come on, Wacky Dude.
Know is how to defense.
Because this is the secret. Make sure you don't tell anybody. Only the people that know about Mysterious Noise. Wacky Dude is a hobo.
No, really?
He lives on the street. He pretends he's a lamppost.
Want to eliminate me? Eliminate her first.
That's... Elimination. What's he grabbing? Looks like a dance off.
Dude, it's not a nice time. I think you're gonna do something. Nicole, you check it out. You do it. No. Okay, I'll just go sit.
His face is dark, shadowy darkness.
I don't think that worked. Lacey!
Looks like he's about to do something.
Dead. Don't go close! Don't go close! You're gonna get eliminated!
Ow! I'm not even playing. I'm just the cameraman. What's the matter, Wacky Dude? You're feeling upset?
Nicole, you go closer. No. You go.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! He's got me close. That's scary.
Hey, I think it's a zombie. I think it's a zombie.
I'm behind this.
I'm a hobo.
Oh God! He's coming.
She eliminated her first. You said it was true.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I've been beaten by a chicken from tic-tac-toe. I know how you feel. Goodbye.
Come on, Wacky Dude! I love when you try to chase us. He's in the darkness, Queen N.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe to Neighbors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for more exciting videos from Queen N555, Lego Animations 911, and Wacky Dude.
What about me?
And Lego Anthony. See you later. Any end.